Hello little friends. Today, we will learn names of places around us. So, let's start.
School.
A place where we get education.
Hospital.
A place providing medical and surgical treatment and nursing care for sick or injured people.
Fire station.
The headquarters of a fiery brigade, where fire engines and other equipment are housed.
Police station.
The office of a local police force.
Park.
A large public garden or area of land used for recreation, where kids can play too.
Zoo.
A place which maintains a collection of wild animals, typically in a park or gardens, for study, conservation, or display to the public.
Bank.
A bank is a financial institution that is licensed to accept checking and savings deposits and make loans.
Library.
A collection of books and periodicals held in a library.
Post office.
A public department responsible for postal services and telecommunications.
Supermarket.
A large self-service shop, selling foods and household goods.
Church.
A building used for public Christian worship.
Hotel.
A place providing accommodation, meals, and other services for travelers and tourists.
Restaurant.
A place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises.
Mosque.
A Muslim place of worship.
Cinema.
A theater where films are shown for public entertainment.
Museum.
A building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic, or cultural interest are stored and exhibited.
Farm.
An area of land and its buildings, used for growing crops.
Pharmacy.
A shop or hospital dispensary are prepared or sold.
Home.
The place where one lives permanently, especially as a member of a family or household.
Airport.
A place from which aircraft operate that usually has paved runways and maintenance facilities and often serves as a terminal.
Gas station.
A place beside a road selling fuel for motor vehicles, a petrol station. Factory. A factory is a large building where machines are used to make large quantities of goods.
Gym.
A place or club where you can go to exercise using machines, weights, and other equipment.
Bookstore.
A shop or website where books are sold.
Court.
A court is a place where legal matters are decided by a judge and jury or by a magistrate.